God is watching.
It's Sunday.
So,
You know what that means.
I forgot.
Sunday means we go to church.
Oh, yeah.
Put on a coat and tie.
Why?
To show respect to God and others.
I'm glad Sunday is only once a week.
I hope God didn't hear that.
He'll forgive me. Conversation 2.
Feed the cat.
Did you feed the cat?
I'll do that in a minute.
The cat is meowing. He's hungry.
Okay. I'll feed him right now.
You shouldn't make him wait.
I was doing my homework.
The cat doesn't care about your homework.
The cat doesn't care about anything.
That's the way cats are.
All they think about is themselves.
Maybe we should get rid of him.
Of course not. He's family. Conversation 3. Shave your face. I hate shaving.
Me too.
I just cut myself again.
Did you use a new blade?
It doesn't matter. Old blades cut, new blades cut.
Maybe you should use an electric shaver.
They make a lot of noise, but they don't give a close shave.
Well, I guess you have to live with it.
Maybe you should stop shaving.
And grow a beard?
Sure. Why not?
Because food and other stuff sticks in my beard.
Here's an idea. Put cream on your face and have the cat lick it off.
Conversation 4.
Two polite people.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Are you reading this paper?
Oh, no. Help yourself.
I asked because the paper is sitting next to you.
Thank you. That's polite of you to ask.
Some people would just pick it up.
Yes, I know. Some people are rude.
I always try to be polite.
So do I.
The world needs more polite people like us.
I agree 100%.